Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a surprising trend in the world of cryptocurrency, the first decline in the number of Bitcoin ATMs in a decade. Bitcoin ATMs, also known as BTMs, have been a significant player in the cryptocurrency market, replacing online exchanges as the primary method of buying and selling Bitcoin. These machines exploded in popularity between 2020 and mid-2022 at the height of the crypto craze. At their peak, BTMs totaled 34,000 across the US, according to Coin ATM Radar. BTMs function similarly to standard ATMs but allow users to purchase and sell Bitcoin instead of distributing cash. Users can use the machine to exchange cash, credit/debit cards, or both for Bitcoin. The process often includes verification, providing a wallet address, confirming transaction details, payment, and confirmation. There are several types of Bitcoin ATMs available, each with its unique features and capabilities. Here are the three main types of Bitcoin ATMs. 1. 1A Bitcoin ATMs. These machines do not allow customers to sell Bitcoin. They can only buy it. Compared to 2A ATMs, 1A ATMs are more prevalent. 2. 2A Bitcoin ATMs. Users can buy and sell Bitcoin using these devices. Compared to 1A ATMs, 2A ATMs are less prevalent. 3. Portable Bitcoin ATMs. These machines are made to be moved around from one place to another with ease. They are frequently used at events or in temporary locations and are typically more compact and smaller than traditional Bitcoin ATMs. Bitcoin ATMs provide in-person convenience over online exchanges. However, they may charge higher transaction fees and have limited buying/selling limitations. Despite these challenges, the rise of Bitcoin ATMs presents a useful addition to the cryptocurrency landscape, offering users an alternative to traditional exchanges. Let's delve deeper into the numbers. The growth of Bitcoin ATMs, BTMs, has been nothing short of explosive. As of March 2022, there were over 8,000 BTMs around the world, with a majority of them being in North America, 4,854, Europe, 2,177, and Asia, 587. By November 1, 2022, this number had skyrocketed to nearly 39,000. However, 2023 marked a turning point. For the first time in a decade, the number of BTMs worldwide saw a decline. By the end of 2023, the total number of BTMs had fallen to around 25,000, a decrease of about 16.7% from its peak. This decline was not uniform across all regions. The highest number of BTMs was recorded in the United States in 2023, with significantly more machines found here than elsewhere in the world. Canada, the United Kingdom, and Austria followed. It's also worth noting that there are two main types of BTMs: basic ones, which only allow users to purchase Bitcoins, and more complex ones, which enable users to both buy and sell the virtual currency. As of July 2020, the main manufacturers of BTMs were Genesis Coin and General Bytes, with 34.6% and 30.3% of the market share, respectively. These numbers provide a fascinating insight into the rise and fall of Bitcoin ATMs, shedding light on the evolving landscape of the cryptocurrency market. If you're finding this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends who might also be interested in cryptocurrency trends. There are several reasons behind the decline in Bitcoin ATMs, BTMs. Let's delve deeper into each of these factors. 1. Regulatory pressures. Increased regulatory pressures in many countries have made it more difficult for BTM operators to stay in business. Governments worldwide are tightening regulations around cryptocurrencies, leading to increased scrutiny and operational challenges for BTM operators. 2. High transaction fees. Bitcoin transactions often come with high fees, which can make BTMs less attractive to users. These fees are necessary to incentivize miners to process Bitcoin transactions, but they can be a deterrent for users, especially for smaller transactions. 3. Rise of online cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets. The proliferation of online cryptocurrency exchanges and digital wallets has provided users with alternatives to BTMs. These platforms often offer lower fees and more convenience than BTMs, leading some users to switch. 4. Geopolitical tensions and revenue losses. Geopolitical tensions and a prolonged bear market have also contributed to the decline. These factors have led to revenue losses for BTM operators, making it less profitable to operate these machines. 5. Cheaper alternatives for operations. Service providers have been trying out cheaper alternatives for operations. For example, Bitcoin Depot converted its 7,000 physical machines to bit access software, helping reduce operational costs related to software licensing fees. These factors combined have led to the first decline in the number of BTMs in a decade. It's a complex issue with multiple contributing factors, reflecting the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the cryptocurrency market. The decline in the number of Bitcoin ATMs, BTMs, worldwide has several implications for the crypto industry and its users. 1. Shift in crypto landscape. The reduction in BTMs reflects a shift in the crypto landscape. This could be influenced by regulatory changes, market dynamics, or a combination of factors impacting the demand and deployment of these machines. 2. Impact on accessibility. BTMs have played a crucial role in making cryptocurrencies accessible to the general public. They provide a physical point of interaction for users, especially in regions where access to digital platforms is limited. The decline in BTMs could potentially impact the accessibility of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. 3. Impact on service providers. The decline in BTMs also impacts service providers. For instance, Bitcoin Depot converted its 7,000 physical machines to bit access software to reduce operational costs related to software licensing fees. This move indicates that service providers are exploring alternatives to maintain operations amidst the decline. 4. Influence on global Bitcoin adoption. Contrary to the anticipated rise in global Bitcoin adoption, the sharp decline in physical ATMs dedicated to fiat crypto conversions could slow down the rate of adoption. This is particularly significant considering that the highest number of ATMs installed in a month was 2,048 back in January 2021. 5. Regional impact. The decline in BTMs is not uniform across all regions. The US, despite experiencing a 15.4% fall, still holds a dominant position with 82% of the global total. This uneven distribution could lead to regional disparities in Bitcoin accessibility. These impacts underscore the significance of BTMs in the broader cryptocurrency market and highlight the potential consequences of their decline. The future of Bitcoin ATMs, BTMs, is a topic of much debate and speculation. Despite the recent decline, many believe that BTMs have a promising future. 1. Market growth. According to statistics, the global crypto ATM market size reached $35.80 million in 2020 and is estimated to grow to $3.557 billion by 2030 at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 58.5%. This suggests that despite the recent decline, the overall market for crypto ATMs, including BTMs, is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. 2. Empowering the unbanked. BTMs are empowering the unbanked and underbanked populations to access digital assets and explore new financial horizons. This could drive the demand for BTMs in regions with limited access to traditional banking services. 3. Regulatory evolution. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to mature and gain broader acceptance, it is likely that regulatory frameworks will evolve to accommodate the unique characteristics of BTMs. This could potentially reverse the recent decline and spur the growth of BTMs. 4. Technological advancements. Companies are already developing next-generation BTMs that offer easy operator access and support multiple cryptocurrencies. These advancements could make BTMs more user-friendly and versatile, thereby attracting more users. 5. Global Bitcoin adoption. The sharp decline in physical ATMs dedicated to fiat crypto conversions could slow down the rate of adoption. However, some experts believe that we're going to get to a point where every ATM in the world can sell Bitcoin fairly soon. 6. Solving traditional banking barriers. BTM service providers aim to help millions of banked and unbanked individuals gain easy and secured access to the world of cryptocurrency. With a blockchain wallet in place, it's easier to carry out peer-to-peer transactions using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Despite the challenges, the future of BTMs looks promising. As the crypto industry continues to evolve, so too will the role and relevance of BTMs. As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of Bitcoin ATMs, it's clear that the landscape is complex and ever-evolving. The recent decline in the number of BTMs worldwide marks a significant shift in the crypto industry. However, it's important to remember that this is just one aspect of a much larger picture. The decline can be attributed to a combination of factors, including increased regulatory pressures, high transaction fees, and the rise of online cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets. Each of these factors has contributed to the changing dynamics of the crypto market. Despite the decline, many believe that BTMs have a promising future. The crypto ATM market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, driven by technological advancements, regulatory evolution, and the need to empower unbanked and underbanked populations. However, the future of BTMs is not without challenges. Service providers will need to navigate regulatory hurdles, manage operational costs, and stay ahead of technological advancements to remain competitive. Moreover, they will need to continue innovating to meet the changing needs and expectations of users. In conclusion, while the recent decline in BTMs is noteworthy, it does not signal the end of these machines. Instead, it highlights the need for adaptation and innovation in the face of changing market dynamics. As the crypto industry continues to evolve, so too will the role and relevance of BTMs. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Bitcoin ATMs. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, we encourage you to do your own research and stay informed. Until next time, keep exploring.